Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review, and today we are looking at the England home shirt, and this one is from kitgg7.com. All information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now this is the Lionesses shirt, and I have straight away noticed there's a mistake on this one, and that is that the final shirt did not have this pink writing. I say pink writing, it's the pink outline around the blue. A lot of the earlier ones have this on there, but I guess they changed it. So if you're only around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or anything, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will also leave a DHgate link from a usual seller in the description of this video, which will take you through to the England shirts, which will enable you to see which ones they've got. And I said the seller of this one is kitgg7.com, and usually you're looking between 10 to 15 days for any items to arrive, which I think is really good. Obviously we did go for a name set on this one. We've gone for Grace Clinton. We have also done Jessie Gale as one of the England shirts, so again thought we'd get another name set. So what we'll do now is we'll get this package undone and we'll take a look at the England home shirt from kitgg7.com. Okay, we're at the start of the front of the shirt, and we've got the traditional sort of ring neck collar. Now this is the player spec version, so you can see there's a lot more like detail in the material. The Nike emblem has been heat pressed on, that's like a rubberized sort of texture, and the England badge is also rubberized. And what I've noticed is this is correct, it hasn't got the star on it. Obviously the females do not have that one on there. The number 14, that is rubber, and that has been vinyled on. And at the bottom we have the engineered and then a product code. Put my hand under it. It is relatively see-through being the white, but it's not too bad actually. And there's a little bit of a mess up there where the white stitching's gone into the blue, but I wouldn't be too concerned by that in all honesty. All looking good. Very lightweight, breathable material, but then that's what you'd expect with the player versions. So that's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now and we'll take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now, and yeah, they've got the continuation of the collar. Obviously you can just see through where the vinyl on the inside is. Then obviously we did go for the Grace Clinton name set. Now being that the material is a little bit more textured, these sometimes do feel quite rough, but actually that doesn't feel too bad. And the number 14, now quite a few people did get these number 14s on the back of their shirts. The actual ones that were used did not have the pink around it, but was it Sports Direct or somewhere that was releasing with the pink on it? So there must have been a time where they intended to have that on there. What else? A lot to call out on the back. There is a crease there from where it's been in the bag, but that will soon come out once the shirt's been worn. And at the bottom we do have the dry fit ADV. That again has been heat pressed on, and it is a rubberized sort of texture to it there. I do like the blue on the sleeves actually. I think that's a nice little detail on the back there. But there's the reverse side. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the inside. Okay, we're on the inside now, and the collar line, yeah, stitching all looks good on that. A little bit of excess cotton there, but that can soon be cut out. But yeah, apart from that, a little bit there, but the stitching all looks nice and tidy. Again, a bit of excess cotton there. I don't mind having the excess cotton because you know then it's been stitched on well, and that just needs to be cut off. England crest here, I mentioned it's been vinyled on, or heat pressed on should I say, and yeah, that's gone on good, no creases. Likewise with the Nike tick, and then we have the number 14 just there. Again, no issues at all. I do always have my little concerns with the player ones because there is a texture to the shirt, but in all honesty they've gone on well. And as I push in, look, you can make out the number 14 from the other side, and probably up here somewhere you would see the name set of Clinton. The stitching there all looks good. Down the bottom here we've got the Nike engineered. Again, that's gone on well. And the hemline, the stitching, yeah, that looks good. When you get these sort of like the England shirts, the top teams, you always know that the stitching is going to be pretty much perfect. and the condition of the shirt is going to be really spot on. So that's the inside of the first part of the England shirt done. Let's flip it around and we'll take a look at the other side too. Okay, final part of the inside of the shirt, you've got the banding around there for the collar line, and this is what we could see earlier. Look, it's like a rose that was kind of showing through on the other side. Got the Clinton name set, been heat pressed on well, no creases, and here you've got your night tick, your dry fit ADV and your size guide, which should be the same as this tag here, which is men's XL. You always get these sort of tags put in there with the plastic bit on there, which always makes me chuckle. And then the number 14, yeah, even with that big crease through there, that's gone really smoothly. If I push in here now, look, you can see the England badge really clearly, the night tick. So that gives you the indication of how lightweight and see-through the material is. At the bottom here, we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out, as it is now, and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, never put them in the tumble dryer. Just let them hang dry, whether that's outside or inside. And then things like the numbers and the name sets, they won't come off. I've done a video quite a while back where I washed the shirt standard, and yeah, you could see that it did all come off then. But that's the final part of the inside of this shirt done. A really nice one. And there we have it, our England player spec shirt with the Grace Clinton name set from kitgg7.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link as well from my usual seller, so you can take a look at the England items on their site. Now, in all honesty, this is a really nice shirt. It's just a shame with that number 14 having the pink around the back of it, but say some of them did look like that when they were first issued. So it's a shame that they didn't put the correct numbers on the back, but hey ho, there we have it. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for the item to arrive, which is really quite smart. Probably quicker than some items actually if you purchase in the UK, so you can't fault that. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, the seller is kitgg7.com. All the information will be in the description of this video. If you've got this shirt or you've purchased from kitgg7, also leave me a comment and let me know which ones you've purchased and which ones you're going to be getting going forward. But there we have it, the England home shirt, player spec, Grace Clinton name set. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.